bully beat me up. They ripped all my glass. My eye! Oh, please, do not look. Look at this ugly guy.
What? I'm not ugly. Are you ugly?
Dumbass, shut up. Oh, my eyes!
Please, do not look.
Look at my sexy body. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Anyway, yeah, the bully beat me up today. I say stop. He say, give me lunch money. I say, okay. But, man, people say I have like 0 view, man, and the quality suck, and my video just going down. So I go to school, and the bully, he beat me up. He say you suck. You should get off YouTube. And I say, I think I should. And then he punched me. Then he steal my money. And he break my glass. Look. I don't know what I do. Do I sit here and stand around and make more YouTube videos? Or do I quit? Do I quit like a bitch? But I will not stand for this shit. You know what happens? Shut the hell up, you ugly bitch.
Alright.
See ya. Mr. D out.